Hello guys, so because this side I'm the founder of DigiScaler and today I'll be reviewing Drivepresso. Welcome to my review of Drivepresso. Okay, so let's talk about Drivepresso. So what actually is Drivepresso? Okay, so this software which is used for storing a lot of files and media, graphics, anything you can store within a click. Okay, so this is the kind of software which is a revolutionary software, and I bet you'll forget other things like Google Drive and Dropbox. You'll forget, ping those upgrading to those softwares, right? So this is the member area, but before coming to the member area, I'll just want to show you the bonuses. Okay, so if you guys purchase from my link, I'll be giving you all the bonuses, and these bonuses will expire strictly at 21st May. Okay, 11:59. This bonus page will come down. Okay, so let's talk about Drivepresso and what all bonuses we are giving with it. Okay, so let's talk about the bonuses first. So in the bonuses, I'm giving you a extremely this traffic method. This is called the underground traffic method, and with the help of this method, you can easily bring the traffic to your offers, and you can sell plenty of offers. You'll be doing your own offers, or you'll be promoting the affiliate offers. This can be easily done with the help of this underground traffic method, which is made by Mr. John O. Armstrong, and he's already a pretty good affiliate, and I've been following him. So I bet if you learn this method, you'll be blown away. Okay, so this is the first bonus which I'm giving you. So the second bonus is the make money using the profit factory system. Okay, so what exactly is the profit factory system? This is basically a system through which you can, bring the traffic to your website and get paid by just, few clicks. Okay, so you should know how to build your list, and you should know how to use this profit factory system. Okay, so this system will exactly tells step by step how you can use the system to make more money. Okay, this is the second bonus, and the third bonus we have is this uh, laser target method. Okay, so this is the third bonus, which is called the laser target method, which is also again used for getting the traffic. So I'm sure that you'll love this bonus. And the final bonus is the link supercharger software. Okay, so this is the powerful solution to generate more traffic. Okay, brand your domains and maximize your commissions. Okay, so this is a kind of easy to install and comes with host of extra features that every marketer will love. Okay, so this again is a kind of software which will really help you. Okay, and other than that, I'm also giving you one more bonus, which is called the bonus library. Okay, I'll be giving you hundreds of products to download, which you can offer as bonus. Okay, so these all bonuses will be yours if you purchase from my link. Okay, so this is the thing. Now let's talk about Drivepresso. So what is Drivepresso? So basically, if you are stuck paying the expensive monthly fees for Dropbox, Google Drive, Vimeo, or Wistia, okay, then this software is for you, because this is the unlimited cloud storage forever. Okay, you won't want to upgrade to another another so-called Google Drive or Dropbox. Okay, so this is the kind of software which will help you lifetime. Once you are purchase this software, you don't need to upgrade for the storage life for the lifetime. Okay, so I'll be talking about the members area soon, but let's talk about what are the benefits of the Drivepresso. Okay, so basically it's a system, three-step system, where you can easily locate, drag and drop, and access all your file. Okay, other than that, you can there's a thing called privacy. Okay, so these files which you will be sharing to users will be extremely secure. Okay, so this will be extremely secure, and also, okay, there is no subscription fees ever. Once you purchase it, it's all done, so you don't need to pay again and again. Okay, you can keep all your important file, videos, and data in one central location. Okay, and the speeds are incredible. Okay, trust me, these speeds are incredible. So even you can host your own videos on this Dry software. Okay, and other than that, this is the perfect solution, man. This is the perfect solution. You won't find any headaches and frustration with the lost data. All the data is secured and encrypted. Okay, even the file, which we are sharing can be password protected. Okay, so these all things are there in Dry. And if you take from my if you purchase the software from my link, okay, you'll be getting all these bonuses for free, which is valid till 21st May only. Okay, and let's get into the members area of Tricepresso. So here you can see this is the member area. Here you can easily upload file. Okay, you can create folders, so you can even put images, audio files, video files. So there's a lot of option which is there already. Okay, so you can use all these options. Other than that, I'll just show you what happens once you have uploaded the file. Let me just if you want to share it to the others, right? If you want to share it to the others, so if you right click here, you'll see the get shareable link. Okay, so once you get this shareable link, you can easily share it to other users, and you can share. You can even give access for download. You can even give access for editing. You can even you know encrypt it with using the password. Okay, and then there is the link expiration. Okay, so link is valid until. So there's a lot of thing which you can do. Okay, and you don't need to pay again and again for another cloud storage software. So this is the kind of tool which will help you till the end. Like it won't need any upgrade or whatsoever. So this is the one solution which will save you from overpriced monthly fees. And I'm damn sure, like, if you use this product, you will be blown away. Okay, and again, my bonuses are awesome, and I'll be I want you to take these bonuses, grab these bonuses. The link of the bonuses are in the description, so you can grab that link and access this software. And finally, this software is particularly, I think this is the best software, and I'm already using it, and this is no doubt no brainer. Okay, you can easily purchase this and keep it for your future any transfer. Like if you want to transfer or store file, you can use this. So this is the kind of software which I love, and you can save n number of files online, access them anywhere. If maybe it's smartphone, tablet, computer, you can access it from anything. Okay, so just don't share to buy don't forget to buy using my link, because I'll be giving all the bonuses. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it from my side. Before that, let's talk about upsell. So there is this upsell. The front end is $19. Okay, and then the $47 is the one time sorry, $47 is the upsells. Okay, and these all are the upsells, so it's very cheap. Okay, and you don't need to pay and upgrade for again and again. If you once paid, it will be there for lifetime. So guys, grab it. The link for that one is in the description. Okay guys.